Do not pay expensive in the market. Do it yourself. To start today's tip, we will use a soap. We will grate completely. To facilitate in the preparation of the tip, once you are at this point, we will reserve to use soon. We will also use a bath soap, and we should grate the same way. I'm sure you've never made a tip like this, and you'll be surprised. As soon as you grate the bath soap completely, we will put it in a pan that will also serve for the preparation of our tip today. This tip is perfect for use in the toilet, always bringing a great aroma to your bathroom, even after use. The next essential item for this mixture is the fabric softener, also responsible for bringing the aroma that your bathroom needs. To complete and also facilitate the dilution of the products, I will also add 500 milliliters of water. The ideal now is to take to low heat and stir constantly until it has reached the necessary point. The amount of use for the fabric softener is 1 lid, equivalent to 25 milliliters. As soon as the soap melts completely, we will also add a tablespoon of baking soda, being the item responsible for keeping our product active longer and the cleaning generated by its alkaline action. We should mix it again now until it's done. We can already notice that this mixture is totally different from all products sold in the markets. Once you are at this point, we will remove the pan from the fire and take it to another container that will have the model of our tip today. The ideal is to put the mixture completely and let it rest for about 3 hours until it reaches the consistency we need for use. As soon as time passes, we will have our tip ready for use. The ideal now is to use a knife to cut into small pieces, each piece being the necessary for use for at least a week. Our full tip can be used for up to 2 months, and you will always have your bathroom clean and smelling with use. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Randall Wayne from West Virginia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips for use. We should only put a small piece directly on the toilet. And with this, whenever you have contact with water, will bring the aroma that your bathroom needs. I'm sure you will be impressed with the use of this tip. Tell me later if you got the desired result for use in your home. I appreciate you watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.